Good morning from beautiful Banff. So me and my buddy Monty are gonna take a little hike. Don't know where it's gonna lead, but we're gonna take one, right buddy? Banff is incredible. It's incredible. Wait, wow, stop. Give you a real-time update. Don't worry, none of the footage you're about to see is current time. All of this has happened last year, summer 2019. The pandemic has slowed everyone down. We did have a summer trip this year, 2020. I gotta get to those videos. But first, I'm gonna catch you up on summer 2019. We still have this video, which is Banff. Then we also have Devil's Tower. We have Indiana Dunes, Chicago. Oh, Cuyahoga Valley in Ohio, and then back home. So we still have plenty of the summer 2019 to give you. And then I gotta catch up with summer 2020. Stay tuned, and I'll catch you up on all the videos. And again, don't worry, all the footage you're about to see is from the summer 2019, pre-pandemic. Enjoy.
I don't like being on my own. I could use someone to hold, and I've been trying to fill the void, but my bed is getting cold. Cause I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. You said you had to go away, just to figure out who you are. And I'm in this empty house, with your pictures on my wall. But I don't have you, I don't have us, at least not anymore. Now I'm just waiting for love, waiting for love. Try to forget about you makes me restless. Waiting for love, waiting for love. I don't know.
All right, so the truth of the matter is that we haven't actually been to a gondola yet. Because there was some video before, I was like, we're at the right gondola, we're at the wrong gondola, but we haven't been to a gondola yet. But we are heading there now, and we are going to take the gondola. Yes? Yes. Okay. All right. Stay tuned. Hey, Jet, we're gonna go on that right there.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna fly over.
Yeah, it's there.
No, you're not. Are you nervous? Who's nervous? Here we go.
There we go.
We're flying.
I
can't even open my eyes yet. Chet, we're flying.
Yeah.
Look at this, my love.
Yeah, right.
I can't even open my eyes yet. She's doing it! So proud!
We go right.
Do you love this?
Yeah.
We're flying, right?
Oh yeah.
You gotta admit though, Jill, it's an incredible view. Have you looked at the view?
So I don't normally make the videos, Carrie does, but only one of us can come up to the boardwalk from the top of the Banff Gondola, so we chose me, and this is the view we get. Hold on.
The people here at the Banff Gondola and in Canada, really all around, have been nothing more than accommodating for us and our family and our needs that we have. To the Canadians, we thank you. But the Banff Gondola is truly an experience that you should definitely put on your bucket list. If you're... Can you say Moraine Lake? Where are we?
Moraine Lake.
That's right. Can you look at the camera? We came here to canoe the lake, but you can't canoe today because the winds are too high. The lake is rippling. Last year when we were here, the lake was still, but the lake's rippling a little bit. So no canoeing today, but still a gorgeous view. Oh, there he is! Reunited and and it feels so good. Let me see fingernails. If I don't take a video, I don't remember where we were. I've seen so many great things. It's apparently the birthplace of the Canadian national parks. All of them. All of them. A couple of dudes found this cave. Well, actually, I don't really know. I haven't been there yet. But I'll let you know as soon as I read the information. Going to the cave? Jet, it's pretty spooky, huh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm scared. So this is the cave that they stumbled upon. They were 3 explorers and they stumbled upon this cave with the thermal hot springs, and they wanted to develop the land because they knew that the railroad was being made and passing right through here, and they thought that they could make a lot of money on it. Oh. It must be cool when the sunlight is shining directly on it. Just the other day we went to the Athabasca Glacier and walked on it, and here we are today at Cave and Basin, and there's a big picture of what the glacier looked like 100 years ago. It's pretty wild. Right here is the, I guess the hole, the vent hole
Down there.
that the 3 brothers found, and then what they did was they built a like a little, they called it a hotel, but it was a little shack, a little log cabin right next to this to kind of protect it, to say, hey, we found it, it's ours. But the Canadian government was like, nah, I don't think so. Belongs to the people. We're gonna establish a national park. Now here in Yoho, because that's where we are in Yoho, these spiral tunnels, which actually, hold on, there's a truck going by. 2 trucks, which actually would have been really cool if there was actually a train going through the tunnel at that time. But there's no schedule and we don't know when that train will come. We'll try again later. Try again later. Getting out of the car, we are exploring Yoho today, and we're gonna check out the natural bridge here in Yoho.
I like Yoho already.
Yeah, it's nice and small.
What's natural bridge?
I'm standing on top of the natural bridge in Yoho National Park. It's pretty impressive. The water is raging. Okay, my wife has been wanting to canoe probably since, oh, I don't know, Pennsylvania. New Jersey?
Well, we did it in the Tetons, but it was not.
We did it in the Tetons. Oh yeah, we did it in the Grand Tetons, that's right. So here we are on Emerald Lake in Yoho National Park up in Canada, and it gets its name because the water is the color emerald. It's wild. It's pretty cool. I would say this is the best kayaking, canoeing experience that we've ever had.
If the sun was out, you guys would be able to see the true color of the water. I don't know if you can see it on camera.
Yeah, I don't know if the camera captures it.
Same head with the glacier in the back.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hold on, we're gonna move up there.
Hello.
Oh my god, yay! We're on the canoe!
Let me get it right now, just in case. Maya!
So this spot here with all these amazing wildflowers is actually an avalanche spot. So right up here, the snow came down with tremendous force, knocked down all the trees, and in its wake, when the snow melted, left all these pretty purple flowers. Pretty cool.
You read that?
I sure did. I read that. I like to read the signs. Give you a lot of information. I like information. This one is crazy.
Oh my god, you have to go, what? What do you mean? Oh my god.
Is there a car coming?
Oh my god.
I don't think I'm gonna do it.
No, this guy better not come up your butt.
He did the right thing. So he went all the way like that. I see. Okay. Well, now I know.
Alright. Oh, honey, be careful.
Now I know.
Alright, well, be careful.
Wow, Jet, do you feel the water?
Behind you.
Oh God.
Yep, we're all standing here waiting for a train to come by. The train goes in and out of the tunnel and we're waiting here to see it. Okay, the head of the train has gone in and now we're going to see the head of the train come out the other side of the tunnel before the back end is even in. It's pretty cool. That's the same train that you see there. Coming out and going in. It's the same train. It's that long. This woman right here conquered the gondola.
Yeah, I did.
A lot of amazing firsts for you this vacation, babe.
Stepping out of my comfort zone.
Yep.
Big time.
Next thing you know, we'll be skydiving.
Oh, no.